PEP Archive provides online access to classic psychoanalytic texts from journals and books, including publications by Sigmund Freud and Melanie Klein. Books on PEP Archive have a distinct way of being read and used, and are designed for online reading rather than saving as PDFs. However, there are workarounds that let you print and save as a PDF, and we will explore those later in the video. When you access a PEP Archive book from the library catalog, you will often be taken to a list of chapters or sections in that ebook. One of the drawbacks of PEP Archive is that it is sometimes not easy to get a sequential list of chapters, so you may find they are not always in a logical order. To read a chapter, click the button labeled Access Now, which you'll find below the description. This takes you to the Reading View screen, where you can view the whole chapter by scrolling down. You can see the text is presented without page numbers and does not resemble the formatting of a print version of the book. There is a toolbar at the top of the page that gives you the following functions. The Save button saves the item to your MyEBSCO account if you have created one and logged into it. The Cite button creates a reference for you, but carefully check that the text supplied is complete and fully in the style you need for your reference list. Often there can be information missing. You can save the item to a project folder in MyEBSCO if you have created an account and logged into it. You can save the full text to Google Drive or OneDrive, or send a link to the item by email. The Download button gives you the option to save a copy of the item to your device, which can be read in your web browser offline, so you do not need to be connected to the internet to open it again. To print the document, use Ctrl and the P key or the File and Print option to bring up a print dialog box. You can choose to either send the document to a printer, or use the Save as a PDF option to save the document as a PDF. Sometimes you might come across an individual section or chapter of an ebook via a discovery or database search and decide you want to find the rest of the chapters. To do this, you will first need to come out of the reader view by clicking the back arrow, then click on the item title in the search results list. This takes you to the item's data page. Scroll down and look for the Related Records section, then click All Entries from this book to see the list of chapters, or use the Previous Extract or Next Extract links to navigate through the book.